I'm going to teach you something very useful, which are ternary operators. In this case, I have a prompt that I store in this num variable. I have another variable called message, which I'm consoling logit, but the message changes based on the value of the number. If it's a positive, I say it's positive number, else I say it's 0 or negative number. Okay, so if I add here 20, it says positive number. If I refresh and I add minus 12, it says 0 or negative number. We can refactor this to do it in a single line of code. Instead of adding all this code, I can delete it and I can say, okay, message is going to be equal to num bigger than 0 and question mark. Okay, so I'm asking, is the number bigger than 0? Okay, if it is, we will use this value, the true value. Else, these two dots is an else, we will use the false value. Okay, so if this condition is true, we will use this value. If it's false, we will use this value. So instead of true, I'm going to say positive, and instead of false, I'm going to say 0 or negative. Okay, so I'm replacing the if statement for this condition right here. I'm checking it, and if it's true, it will store this value. If it's false, it will store this value. And we are console logging it. So we are making everything in just 3 lines of code. I save, let me refresh, and use 20 again. Positive, let me refresh, use minus 8, 0 or negative. So we are making an if state in 1 line. These are the ternary operators.